In this simple video, we are going to see that if you want to share your Instagram profile link on some other profile like YouTube or Udemy or other platforms, how we can do this. And also if you want to share this with your family and friends, how we can get that link. So all you have to do is just click on your profile and just scroll up, and where it says edit profile, just click on that. And from here, just copy your username. Let's copy this, go back. Now just open up your favorite browser and just write here instagram.com/ and your username here. Just click here and make sure it is opening your profile. And once you have confirmed that, what you need to do is just click here and just copy this link. And this is the complete link that you can forward to anybody to connect with you directly on Instagram. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for all the future videos. Take care and have a great day.